Hi guys, it's your Michael here. How you guys doing today? So welcome to today's video. So tonight's video is about hand crank generator. About one more thing, that's it. So I think we had enough for this year, so I'm gonna open our business instead of no hand crank generators. Because y'all getting tired of me building those things, you know? So give me 1 second. And the LED. Know what you're doing, okay? So I'm going to show you an indicator. I went to Walgreens today and got this little adapter, so I just made my own hand crank. So watch this. There's power, yes. Tell you guys, I already built microwave motor generators, so these microwave motors don't have radiation. Depending on your microwave, generates radioactive stuff, okay? It's from the magnetron. So this is a hand crank motor, so you gotta remember, you gotta buy these microwave motors online, because online shopping is the best option for you. Don't tear microwave motors apart, hell no. They'll give you cancer, radiation cancer, okay? So, you see, guys, the hand crank, I want y'all to see the indicator. Watch this. See guys, it has power. I'm just plugging this lamp in. Nice hand crank, so look at that. Makes electricity. There's no voltage, it just cuts on the light for no reason. Alright guys, so if you know where the hand cranks go, it goes over there in the hand crank section, because that's where I sort my stuff out. Three generators. This is the 2021 version. This is the 2021 version. This is the 2021 version I built this year. So this is a portable generator. There's no light to it. There's no light because you gotta build it. You plug it in. Light come on. Oh, there it is. So this is a hand crank generator. So the lights will work better. Look at that. So this is the power. This is the indicator's power is being used. Watch this. Son of a bitch. Stuff falls days. Stuff falls, you guys. See guys, this is a generator display. did not tear no generator for. I got it from Amazon back in the day. So, it works. So you guys, look. Hand crank. So those three work the best. You can build your own for free. You gotta pay for those. Sorry, they ain't free. You gotta pay for them to build them. So you can plug your valuables in. And let me show you. It's got a USB built in right here. USB port. You charge your phone in case of emergency. So see guys, these hand crank AC generators works as a charm for me. So the wattage rating, all the units, the same wattage, 4 watts of electrical generator power. So these microwave motors could transport power into mechanical energy into electrical energy. So see, the indicator comes on here. If you turn it, that's right. For in the case of emergency situation. See guys, light. You put these back. You understand this video, so to demonstrate. So let me know in the comment section below which one's the best. So it's gonna be the same wattage, 4 watts, okay? Just letting you guys know. To understand, the wattage is not the same no more. It's 4 watts. All the same, they're watts. That's it. Guys, so that's it for this video. Like I said, stay positive. Bye.